Good morning, class 6. We are in chapter separation of substance. In previous lecture, we talk about pure substances, mixtures, and types of mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Today, I am going to proceed this chapter with this new topic, properties of mixture. Let us see. There are some properties given in your textbook. We need to write down first, and then after I will explain you. First property is the components of mixture may be in any ratio. So whatever the mixtures are there in which the components are present in any ratio, okay. Second property, they retain their individual property. Means if you take a compound water consists of hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules. So whatever the molecules of hydrogen and oxygen, after combining to form water, they can't lose their individual property. They retain their individual properties. Okay. Third property is the components can be separated by simple methods. Whatever the components are there in mixture, they can be separated by simple method. Okay. Now there is two important terms given in your textbook. See, first one is melting point. A point of temperature at which solid converted into liquid is called its melting point. For example, ice, solid form of water, melt at 0 degree Celsius and converted into water, liquid form. So conversion of solid to liquid at a specific point of temperature, and that point of temperature is said to be melting point. Okay. Now let us move to another term, which is boiling point. See, what is boiling point? A point of temperature at which liquid converted into vapor or gaseous state is called its boiling point. It's boiling point. Okay, let us talk about boiling point of water. For example, water, liquid, boil at 100 degrees Celsius, converted into water vapor, which is in gaseous state. So see, melting point is a point of temperature at which solid converted into liquid. Okay, and boiling point is a point of temperature at which liquid converted into gas. Okay, see,